Hey everybody, Ryan from CRKT here, and I'm going to show you our new Polar 4. Our new Polar 4 is our fourth iteration of the Polar family. This is designed by Jesper Voxnaes out of Denmark. This is featuring a clip point blade with this synonymous for hunting Bowie style knives with D2 blade steel. It also has a G10 show scale that cuts down on weight and adds some texture to the knife. On the back, you have a brass backspacer. Rolling around to the opposite side of the knife, you have a tip-up clip carry, and then you have a nice frame lock here. The Polar 4 is based off of the original Polar that Jesper came out with, and I will show you for size comparison the original versus the 4th edition. You can see here that the Polar 4 is a little bit longer and skinnier. The original Polar was based off a sailing knife, so it does have a sheep's foot blade, so you're not going to poke anybody on the boat. I did want to show the Polar 3 for reference. You can slide that in there, and you can see that the 3 is exactly the same except for the blade finish. You can see here it has a tumbled wash versus satin, and also the blade shape. Really excited about the Polar 4. The Polar family I've carried countless days, probably years. Really excited about this model. If you're into hunting and like that traditional Bowie style blade, I think this is a great crossover between an EDC and a hunting model. And so if you're into that, I think you should absolutely check out our new Polar 4 designed by Jesper Voxnaes.